The impala, a swift and elegant antelope species native to Africa, inhabits savannas and grasslands. They are known for their distinctive reddish brown coat, adorned with characteristic black stripes and markings. Impalas display remarkable agility and can leap over 10 feet in height and cover 33 feet in a single bound. During mating season, males engage in fierce battles using their impressively curved lyre-shaped horns to establish dominance and secure mating rights. They form large herds, which offer protection against predators through collective vigilance. When threatened, the impala emits a distinctive alarm snort, alerting the herd to potential danger. Despite being a common prey for predators like lions, cheetahs, and leopards, impalas have evolved various defense strategies, making them resilient and enduring members of the African savanna.